Welcome to Worldwide Admissions Hub, your one-stop platform to explore universities, scholarships, and courses across the globe. Let's learn how to use it step by step. Open your browser and search Worldwide Admissions Hub. On the homepage, click the Login button at the top right corner to sign in. Once you are logged in, you will see several options right below the search bar. Start with Find Countries, where you can explore study destinations around the world, learn about their education systems, and choose where you would like to study. Next, click Find Universities. This section shows hundreds of global universities with details like location, acceptance, rate, and type. You can even compare and explore the top institutions easily. Then move to Find Scholarships. This option helps you discover available scholarships based on your eligibility and program choice, so you can study smarter and save more. After that, go to Find Courses, where you can search for programs that fit your interests, whether it is engineering, business, medicine, or arts. You will also find a section of top universities, showing their country type and acceptance rates, plus an option to explore all universities. And if you ever need guidance, just scroll up and chat with Zeus. Your personal AI assistant, Zeus will analyze your profile and guide you step by step, helping you choose the best country university and scholarship, all tailored just for you. So start your journey today with Worldwide Admissions Hub, your study abroad journey simplified with AI.